We're still playing safe. We're good. Oy! 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 Teka lang, mamatay ka, Timo, please. Ayan, oh. Increase in size. Increase in size. There we go. Wala ka PH account? Meron naman. Ayan, Hextech din ba si Blitzcrank?
Build. Okay, save ko na.
Caitlyn ka na, buddy.
Pwede yan, pwede yan. Pwede. Huwag ka muna antok, boss.
Ayun,
Aro,
si Bir.
kayo mamaya.
Teka lang, naglalag ako guys.
Oo nga,
Log,
ganito
teka lang,
mamaya.
naglalag.
Pabal GM.
Okay.
Lang degrees.
Okay. Recall ako.
Ala. Okay lang.
Push tong
Wala
mid,
mo,
push tong mid.
And so this is one of the chem barons of the game. Here you go. Oh, dyan naman.
Ito dyan.
Baka lang
Di
ako,
ba takbo to?
sir.
Joke lang.
Hindi.
Nice one.
Hindi ako bahala sa ambesa.
Reset tayo, ha. Wala akong buhay, ha.
Kasi...
Nice one.
About difficulty ni Victor, medium. I think he's on the harder difficulty. Tama ba? Parang pwede kahit Hop. We roll in again. We roll in. Drift. Oh, mali. Mali. Pero... Op. Wait lang, do we have the dragon? Ah, sa kanila yung dragon. Okay, sige. I'll just push top lane, tapos tutulong na ako sa mid. JR Reyes, hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's not afternoon anymore, my brother.
Always glad to see you, Echo.
And I'll find Oriana soon, Mr. Revic. Don't worry. Okay, so where do we go? So good, okay. Wag mo tutuloy masisira buhay mo. I'm sure I'll be fine. Okay. Sorry, hindi ko alam eh. Happy birthday, Ate Yuki. If you see this, happy birthday. I miss you. Hope you're doing well. May ulti pa naman ako. Hex flash naman to eh.
Hindi pa palaban. Itakbo mo lang yan, Aizen. Takbo mo lang yan.
Natakbo ako. Yung bot lane, nagpupush din yun, oh.
Oh, sige.
Sino ko ah?
Gaga.
Baka kumpulan sila dito.
What's up, Bozing? Hello, Christian Jen. What's up, man? How you been? Okay, we have... Alrighty then. I think we're good. Ito na yung bagong champion sa sa Wild Rift. Yan. Kailan lalabas si GP tsaka si LeBlanc? Hindi ko pa alam. parang okay na tayo. Yes. Hindi pa pala. Ayan, kasi nag-out na naman siya. Nagasumpong talaga. Observe. Looks like I'll only be streaming for 2 hours tonight. Level 62 na tayo. Maybe we can go top lane. Ay, hindi. May sapat na ba akong pera para ano? Check ko lang ah. Baka may sapat na akong pera para makabuo ng Ambesa. Para makabili ng Ambesa. Kasi no, I have 1 death. So I have to switch controls. Here we go. Bang. 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 Woo, double kill. Tinatapos na ba nila? Ano, wala pa, hindi pa. Hindi pa sila nakakapasok. Ping, op. Oink. Progress. Just like Tekken. Hindi mo mapo-progress yung missions mo, 'di ba? Just like Tekken. And anyway, we're back. Okay, we're good. And his waistline ate that. It's not so- The hips don't lie, bro. The hips don't lie. The glorious hips don't. Throw a spell, tapos tatama na yung spell mo. Fucking brain dead champion, bro. You know? Oh my god. Wala.
Enemy killing spree.
Wala.
Shut down.
Tumayo. Sino pa? Mini. Ayan, ito. Na-add ko na to si Mini. Okay. Mechanics. Normal draft pick. Kaso lang, kailangan may isang victor. Pero nga, nung lumabas yung Arcane, well, before Arcane, so dito, ayan, so we meet our future self. And we wait lang. So, Sona's gonna be here. Yo. Dito. Kasi hindi ko siya na-check. Pero ang ganda nung rework ni Senja. He has more shields now. Diba? Ako kanina kaya ano? Tatargeting ko sana yung Echo eh kasi low siya eh. Sayang yun. Mr. Q. Oh do do. Dun 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 dun. Niya sumasabog na just like in the ano ayan tapos we level up 100 plus. I'm only level 60. That's how you know na nagbabatak yung mga players dito. Primo wala benta kanina. Horror game gago. What the fuck? Karma, I hate you. Nah, bro. To. Ayan, oh. So, do this. Ayan, so naka-auto lock na siya agad. Itong unang game, sabay-sabay. Hindi nag-recon ako muna saglit tapos nagap kasi ko eh, Evelyn kasi yan eh, oh. Papang Hexgate. Wala pa akong ulti.
常常在追赶着我，
Alam ko Nokshan si Annie. Nokshan ba si Annie? Elder.
Enemy turret
Just to finish all of the objectives. They don't have the jungle, 30 seconds pa.
换水晶不再重生。All we felt were a few tremors.
There we
But
go.
we got the rest of the day off work anyway.
There's all this orange muck around. I don't know what materials the
Capture ko eh. Ayan. Hello pala. IOQ Wild Rift. Oh, someone just warded my blue. Saya. Will! Hello, Will. Kamusta, Will? Ayan. Thank you for the follow, you guys. I appreciate you. Ayan. Ano bang pwede? Maliitan. Mali. My bad. Wait lang. Yan. Ayan, yung ganyan, yung malakihan. Para ano, pindot ko agad. Naglalag talaga pro kapag naka-live minsan sa CN server, pero naka-live ako naman na. Okay, sige. Thank you. Skin codes kayo. Be honest. Be honest right now, bro. Nakailang skin codes kayo? Ha? Nakailang skin chest kayo pala. Sorry. Hindi skin. Lapit. Since Miss Fortune siya, you can use the pokes nung sa double tap. Oh! Teka lang po. Death Brush coming in. Guguluhin ko na lang sila dito. Thank you guys so much for visiting the stream, man. I appreciate all of you.
Good evening.
We think Project K is something special.
Yeah.
And we hope you do too. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you across the table, hopefully soon, at a game store near you.
Now,
Oh, Zeri.
Baka mag-milyo yan.
Tama ba to?
Game yan.
Bias. Komsim.
Uy, binan siya kain. Mali ng dodge roll. Pucha, wait lang.
somewhere else.
Talon, wait lang. Talon na natin yung mga yan. Save me. Good. I'm on my way. Hello. Wait lang. Caitlyn is there. Kiting. Naku po, Jin. We already saw that moment. And what a beautiful moment it was. And it just grew into the right? So ang nangyari, it could be Jace was from a Here we go. Sapa. Bang. Uy, wala, nakandayang siya. Sapa. Maybe in the near future we get a future Echo storyline. Diba? Not just young Echo. Oh shit. Ano, wag na lang.
Mamaya, pag nanalo kami, sasabihin namin bigla.
Open Yumi Open Yumi.
Open Yumi.
din yung Milyo. Sino ang
So,
paprayo?
sige yan ang support.
May prayo ba?
Riven is low. Oh, kaso may buhay na yan pagpunta ko dyan eh. Two enough other Arcane. Para ano, it fits his narrative na all he wants is for things to be Lods, ang tindi mo bay. Ayoko na rin eh. Ano, it's pretty big. It's pretty big.
欢迎来到阴
But I think Wild Rift, and this is just my opinion.
Okay na, coaching
Okay na. Going back.
Ginawa mo na
Chill lang
coaching
kayo.
session yan ah.
Ha?
Grabe na,
Siyempre.
Parang session lang.
Siyempre. Pre-uwi. Maabutan.
Ayan, so may makukuha tayo mga characters dyan. Okay, so we already got introduced to Echo. Their minds, bro. People are gonna buy Jinx and Echo shirts. People are gonna make Jinx and Echo merches. Lalo na yung sa ano yung binibenta ngayon na limited edition. Tawag dito. Ayoko kasi mag-resubli ang dying kay Timo na jungle eh. So yeah, fleet tayo, fleet. Goodness, the app. Good. Double kill? Oh my god. Boom. Woo. Woo. We're good. Riot buff flex.
Ay po, na Faker nga.
Faker.
Heimer.
Ano yung gamit nila doon?
Heimer. Yan. Tapos Aatrox.
Bye. Fuck. Wait lang. Where you going, bro? Double kill pa. Okay, we're good. Nagamit ko na yung ulti. Ayoko siyang pakawalan. Teka lang.
The one girl from Piltover now has a seat on the council. Dude.
Sige, gulungan natin to. We're rolling! Oh, sige, lumapit. I just like the aesthetic of Arcane Survivor Jace, bro.
But I hate this splash art.
Nandito.
Okay.
Sige, sige.
Nandito, Frey.
Ano?
Wala kaming wave.
Bot lane,
Dive ba?
Game.
Pasok ba? Hello. Diba? But it's okay. Arcane is still good. Plus, we have 3 awards. Faker, League of Legends, then T1. Bro, okay na yun. LOL best Ani no flash. Wala, hindi ko ma-flash yan. Fuck.
Episode 8 will be a crowd favorite for one particular moment. Still can't get over it.
What's it to you?
What are you doing with all that orange stuff?
Popped some of that orange crystal crap from the spire into the chamber of
Yeah,
my
take note of the
arm.
orange crystals. Kasi dun sa actual lore, hindi naman talaga sila magkapatid. 'Di ba? Hindi naman talaga sila ito in-advertise as magkapatid. That's not Isha. Yeah, bigat ng episodes. Yeah, bro. God damn. Okay naman yung build actually. Okay naman yung build ng top rank. But I'm going to need a lot of gang. Kasi katulad nung sa yung sa kabilang platform, Facebook, na yung subscription mo, you make your own stickers and you design shit. And I promise you, I wanted to design my stickers. And I died the third time. Okay, here we go. Let's switch again. Oh my goodness. Kagari 49%. Hello. Maki, hello. Patty, hello. My god. Ang layo ng dead. Para may pressure sila. You know. They're killing minions or killing champions. So, if you get 100 stacks, mag-evolve yung first, second, and third ability. Oink. Pahinga muna tayo bukas, boys. Ay, hindi. Meron palang stream bukas. Stopwatches, ganun. Diba? Diba? Siya yung isa siyang artificer. So, me. Teka nga, kanina pa ako dito, wala palang audio tong piste na to. Ano nangyari dito? Oh, she's being protected by one of those Riven runes. Sniper up top. Wala, ayaw na. Nagbag yung Caitlyn. Naka-T-pose. Daoming C. Oy! Daoming C! Patigili mo ang boost. Teka lang. Wait lang nga. Hindi ako komportable sa 40 FPS. Of the game's lore. But in a way that also gives respect to the original. Alright. The game is live, the game is set. We're good to go. Chupin Chuchi. One more game and we out of here. Nakailang skin ka na? Dito? Sa C server. Wala, hindi ko kiliname yung mga skin. Ayun din. Welcome back to the Thunderdome. C server. Iwasan nyo na lang mag-trash to kasi mas maraming mababan. Sayang. Wala, pumasok din kasi ako dun eh. It's fine. Oy, naka-shield siya. Good. Oy, good charm. Sayang. Body of my phone. Bad trip siya. Pero, yan. Ito. I'll be grinding on the C server soon. Ayan niya. Yeah, that's how he dies. That's how he meets Raum. And he strikes a deal. Tapos, somehow, doon sila masaya. Pero, yan. Change roles muna tayo. I don't wanna be jungle. Ayan. Pinky, hello. Ayan, epic lang ata highest. Oh my god. Andun pala siya. Wala tayo kasing vision dun. My bad.
Wala MVP, ay SBP. Ano ba yan?
SVP. Nice one. Nagtanong pa ka mo, ano champion yung pipiliin mo? Wala namang
Wala naman palang champion. Puro support. Right. Here we go. Okay. So. Oh, you know what? Oh, ang pag-asa. Bang! Nice oh. Good job. You deserve a level, ano, Wang MQ disconnected. Disconnected ba siya? Sino to? Gaming and art events for you. Yeah, it's only one night, December 15, starting 3 p.m. onwards. Ayan. So, ito yung mga... Okay, we have equal amount of objectives naman. Help me. Ah, asan yung iba? Ang layo naman nila. Ang layo. Oh my god, sayang. Ang bagal nila mag-ano. Ibang i-banlist ko to sa itong Galleon to. Ang galing eh, sobrang galing pro player eh. 'Di ba? Ayan, banlist. Tapos Rikyu. Ang sakit sa ulo, boss. Mas malakas damage ko sa'yo. Mas malakas damage ko sa'yo. Sorry ka, akin. If they ever release, I don't know, maybe a skin for support? Oh, hell no. That's the reason why I don't use my ult. Ano rank mo? Oh. Ito dito. We'll be expecting a whole lot less of this kind of storyline.
The arcade.
Sabi ni Mama Aido, hello to Callaway.
My screen is always black and white. No colors.
Ay!
Black and white.
Shimura! Shimura!
Ba't rin yan?
Kailangan natin tagalan just to get that gold. Just to get that gold. And we try not to die. Sona trying to ano? Help.
Katuhin natin yung 10,000 wild course.
Oo.
Diba?
Ewan ko sa inyo.
Wala eh.
Ako nga, ang pinili ko nga, tama lang sa rank natin eh. Ewan ko sa inyo.
Mali nga eh. Ang usapan natin
Silver lang.
Yun nga.
Ah. Protection cards. Pak, wala. Sige, isa pa. Hello, Patrick. Good evening. Ay, wait lang. Ito pala oh. GG. Bayan, kala ko mag-ice cream yummy. Hard stock ako sa Emerald. Okay lang yan. Maraming hard stock sa Emerald. Are you there sa Blackout? Yes, I will be there sa Blackout. So, ayan. Mas mabilis na mag-share ngayon. Kailangan ko na wala pa pala kasi akong burn. Sige, may burn na si may burn na si skin release. Jungle ang besa. Salamat.
Try mo na yan.
Ay, gagi na hit.
What the hell? Okay. Pagka level 3 natin, pwede natin.
So, namatay si Timo, may malapit na champion sa akin, it chased him down. That's how it works. Ito, Mimic. Yep, Mimic. Mimic. Pero, let's get the blue buff first. Kasi mawawalan ako ng blue buff. Pero kasi hindi ko pa siya mabibili. The server is bugged, I think. Hindi siya Joke lang pala. Ah, sayang. Under tower si Leo. Sayang. Hachisor, hello, Hachisor. No, because it has restrictions. Right, it has restrictions. Diba? Okay,